Hey, what's up everyone? It's your girl Lisa Marie. Welcome back to another video. Today I have an Aldi's video. I'm gonna go ahead and show you my receipt just off rip. If you want to see what I picked up on my $50 budget, I have $7 left over, which I'm gonna put in here. But if you want to see what I picked up, stay tuned.
She said her name was Lisa Marie, and she was a beast. Woman so bad it's illegal to speak.
We jumping right into this. I'm gonna start with, I picked up a lot of snacks this time around because I didn't pick up that much seafood because I figured the seafood was a little bit more expensive. So I picked up some chips. Picked up, like I said, I picked up a few snacks. I picked this one last week, if you remember, or if you watched it, I picked this one up. I also picked up, of course, I love these. All right. So we're gonna jump into the bag now. Some fruit snacks. I picked up a big pack, so this should last me up till next week as well, so I shouldn't have to buy more. But I like candy. I told you I have a sweet tooth. But yeah, croutons for my salad if I decide to make one. Ground turkey. I picked up ground turkey because I'm gonna make like a baked ziti, I think is what it's called. Baked ziti. So I'm gonna use some turkey, ground turkey, and some turkey sausage. And I'm gonna kind of make like my own vodka sauce because I think that's basically what it is. It's regular tomato sauce and Alfredo sauce. So I'm gonna mix these two together, and I think it may actually have vodka in there. I can do without it, but make my own little vodka sauce for my baked ziti. Picked up some cauliflower, some barbecue sauce, because I'm about to make some grilled chicken. I'm gonna put some grilled chicken on the grill. I picked up these are some snacks, some green beans. Picked up like 5 of these things. I told y'all I love these things. I had these in the last video. Corn, because I don't know, I like corn, so I add it to everything because I'm probably gonna end up adding that to the baked ziti pasta. I didn't pick up pasta because I have pasta here, so there's that. I picked up this to try in my water. I don't know. I have this one, and it's okay, but I feel like Crystal Light things give you like a nasty aftertaste, even if it's not sugar free. That's this. Ooh. But I'll survive. Some cheese for on top of my pasta. I don't know. I think I'm gonna have pasta for a few dishes maybe. I think I'm gonna cook a big pot and put half in the freezer for like maybe next week and then eat half now. But that's that. I know I said I was trying to stay away from dairy, but I don't know. But I picked up some cheese sticks. And at the very bottom, big old pack. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm probably just going to do 5 for this week and then 5 for next week. So I'll have chicken already that I won't have to buy. It was actually pretty inexpensive, and it had a $1 off coupon. So that was everything that I picked. I'm sorry if you hear my puppy's bell. She got a cat collar on. She's not a cat, she's a dog. But I've been needing to hear where she's at, so sorry if you hear that. But anyways, that was it for this one. This is a very quick haul. I'm gonna try to start working on next week having like actually show you my food prep and what I actually made with everything. But this is just a haul for today. Thank you so much. I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.